Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna show you a trip we took last year during hurricane season, of all times, out to Miami, Florida. This was September of 2022, and we'll let you know if you should consider taking a trip at the same time of the year or not. So of course we stayed at a Hyatt property again on this trip. We stayed at the Hyatt property. It's right on the beach in Miami. It's being rebranded right now to the Andes Miami Beach. That's supposed to be completed in 2024. The weather in September is varies by the minute almost. It seems like every day it's going to rain and then immediately clear back up and be bright and sunny. So we dealt with that quite a bit. So if you can deal with the occasional afternoon thunderstorm, we enjoyed it. You get to sit on the balcony or right inside your room and watch the rain, rest a little bit, and then go right back out to the beach. Of course, hurricane season, you never know what you're going to get. Good thing about hurricanes is they give you a little warning. They don't just pop up. So you know a week or two out if you should take the trip or not. Thankfully, there were no hurricanes out in the Gulf around our trip. We got a great deal. It was like the equivalency of $60 flights each way, so it was hard to pass up. We used points with Hyatt, and that got us a great room, and then we used a suite upgrade to upgrade the room to a suite. So this Hyatt property that we stayed at, it has some recent negative reviews. I think all that's going to change when it switches over to the Andes. It's going over like a $60 million renovation, so they're going to upgrade all the rooms, all the common spaces. For the location of this, you absolutely cannot beat it. I mean, you walk out of the hotel, they've got their own private beach with chairs set up for you, and of course their pool, and then they've got their little pet iguanas basically that are roaming the property. The kids loved watching those things climb the trees. So we enjoyed this trip out to Miami. We got a great deal on airfare. The hotel was below peak pricing. As long as you can be a little flexible and understand your trip could get canceled last minute, taking a trip to Florida during hurricane season is a great way to get a great vacation at a great price. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and we hope to see you again real soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.